Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 28th June 2024 are follows. Bengali date 13 Asar 1431. As per Benimadov Ponjika, today's Tithi is Krishna Saptami up to 1804 hours and after that Krishna Ashtami Tithi. As per Benimadov Ponjika, today's Nakshatra is Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra up to 1220 hours and after that Uttara Bhadrapada Nakshatra. Today is National Insurance Awareness Day. Today is International Body Piercing Day. Today is National Logistics Day. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Abraham Ortelius. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Luigi Pirandello. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Alexis Carrel. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Prashant Chandra Mahalanovis. Today is birth anniversary of Miss Maria Geopart Mayer. Today is death anniversary of Dr. Kamala Sohoni. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. F. Sherwood Rowland. Thank you very much for your patience.